Hi Bisons, my name is Emily Hobbs and I am the Career Navigator for East Trails Middle School. My job is to help get you connected with your future. So whatever that might be, if it is going to college, going to two-year college, trade school, apprenticeship, going straight to work, you have all kinds of options in your future. But I also want to make sure that you are connected with the right future for you. So we have organized in our district is a lot of different experiences with assessments so you can figure out where your strengths are, where your interests are, and then a lot of different reflection opportunities. What we want to do is hang on to all of that work and all that progress that you're going to be making along this journey in a career portfolio. So that's going to be in your Google Drive, and you are going to create a portfolio that is going to take you from this year all the way to when you were a senior in high school, so that by the time you get to the end of your schooling, you're going to have all your things documented, and the hope is that you are making a very informed, confident decision by the time you graduate from high school. So today, your teacher is going to take you through how to create that and make some templates. I'm not going to lie, it's going to be a little bit tedious at first, but once you get the hang of it, you're going to be able to get right through it. So let me show you what this is going to look like. You're going to be looking through a Google slide presentation. Your teacher has access to this, and it's going to look like this and give you a little bit of background, give you a little bit of the types of things that are going to be in your folder, such as assessment results, career activities, and so forth. So when you actually create this, you're going to go to your drive. I'm going to show you what it's going to look like in the end. You are going to have a folder called Career Portfolio Folder. And when you click on this, when you're done, you are going to be able to see folders for artifacts. And basically an artifact is something, it might be a result of an assessment, it might be a project that you did in class. You're going to have artifacts in each of these folders. And all of these artifacts are going to be linked to a career portfolio. So if you go straight to the folder, you'll be able to open it up and see a lot of the different experiences that you created. But a more direct way is going to be to look at your career portfolio. And that's going to look like this, where you're going to have a title page that you'll change your name and the grad year and so forth. And you're going to have a little bit of who you are now, and that can always be changed because you're going to be growing and changing as you mature. You're going to have a page that has links to all the other pages, like what did I do in 6th grade, 7th grade. Of course, if you're in 8th grade, you don't have to make folders and things for years that have already passed. And then you're going to have links to all of the different experiences on each grade level. So that's what you are working on creating. This link is going to be in PowerSchool, so you can access it and at any time, and your parents can access it and you can review. It's going to be especially helpful during enrollment time when you're trying to figure out which classes match who you are as far as your strengths and your interests. And it's going to be really helpful when you get to high school because you're going to have some really neat, cool, in-depth projects, and you're going to be working on a resume. So this folder and this portfolio is going to be following you all the way to senior in high school. Again, it's going to be a little bit tedious today. I really appreciate it. It will pay off if you get this taken care of, and this is going to be the only time that you have to do it. You guys, thanks so much for your detailed work on this. I appreciate it, and I look forward to working with you in the future.